I just received my Thompson chain reference review copies in the New King James. So these are Bibles that I asked for, and I asked for the Premier Collection, the handy size, large print, and the genuine leather in the regular. Okay, so I don't know what they look like actually, so I'm going to open this up. And my hands are beat up a little bit from working on my car this morning, so I apologize for that. But I did not want to skip this unboxing, so that's where we are. So let's see what we got here. Okay, and I opened it upside down. That's alright. So here is it looks like the genuine leather. This is the burgundy genuine leather. I look at the box for this thing. It looks like burgundy. I like the look of that. Kind of a small desk here, so and this is a big box. So there's what the burgundy looks like. It is verse by verse. It is red letter. Same paper as the regular, the NIV and the KJV that has been recently released. So I will be reviewing all of these really soon. Let's get this one out of the way. Large print. This one is in imitation leather and brown. That looks good. That is a large font. I like the large one. I like that large font. That is easy to read. This is a lot larger than the font on the original Kirkbride. A lot larger. So there's that one. Get him out of the way here. Actually, should have just removed this box, but that's where we are. Go ahead and get this box out of the way here. So there is a thumb index edition. And that one is burgundy, imitation leather. So there's that. I don't see the handy size. I'll have to ask about that, but it's probably on the way. And that one is the same text block as the others. Same paper. That's a good size print. I like that. And then finally the Premier Collection. This is in black goatskin. The NASB is going to be in a different color. I think it was tan. That's what they were showing an image of it in tan. So I'm hoping that's going to be the case. And I'd like to see that tan for all the translations, but you know me, the more colors the better. Let's see. That is a good looking goatskin. And like the other Premier Collections in the Thompson chain reference, this is larger than the regular edition, 36 GSM instead of the 30 GSM. And also like the others, this should be a black letter. Yeah, black letter edition. Same size font and everything as the regular size, just thicker because of the thicker paper. But there's the goatskin, edge lined, leather liner. Yeah, that's elegant Bible right there. And they're all in verse by verse. And then the New King James would have the poetic setting for poetry, which I like. Alright, so just a quick look at what the new Thompson chain reference looks like in the New King James. I am going to be reviewing all of these pretty soon. And my thanks to Zondervan for sending these in exchange for an honest review. If you have any questions, hopefully I'll be able to answer them all in the reviews. Thanks.